Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where my job is to save you money. This afternoon I'm working on a 1999 Toyota Camry. And one of the things that we're going to show you guys what we're going to do here on this vehicle, we are going to replace the inner door handle. Happens, things break, especially with age. So we are going to show you how to replace it. This should be a very straightforward procedure. Should be no problems whatsoever. So a couple of things you're gonna need. It's gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver, like this. Okay, let's start here. See. Alright, so we are going to remove the next thing here. Let's see what's going on here. I see. Okay. Let's work on this. Okay. This is already broken, obviously. So we're gonna take this thing off. It's a bolt that goes right here on the back. This is the new part. Customer ordered it from I believe it was from Amazon. And again, I'm not getting sponsored by nobody to tell you where they got it. I'm just telling you where they got it from, and that's pretty much it. Okay, everything that I can tell you at this moment. So pretty cool. Okay. The customer actually started to remove all the stuff, so I didn't remove any of this. So just disclaimer. Okay, right here's another bolt. Okay, so it's right there. This is go there, so that way the little plastic, this plastic's attached to that one. Next thing we're gonna do is to remove this cover here. So we can actually expose the bolt. It's behind here. Something else to remove this. There you go. Here, yeah, the bolt is already out. Oh, it's another bolt here on the bottom. Right here. Right here on the bottom. I think this one's supposed to be there, but that is my belief. Yep. Now, right here. Now remove this thing. And it's right there on the floor. You're gonna slide it towards the front of the car. Turn it. Now this is going to expose the opening. Boom, we're done with that one. Now let's put this thing back here. Now what we need to do here before we do this, we're going to remove the vessel here. like this. Like this. Separate it. Yeah. That way, this is gonna go here. That's the log. The log is gonna go first. That. Sorry here. Hopefully you guys can see. They go right there. Okay. That's that. Now we're gonna put this bolt back. This little latch here, right here, those little claws we can call it there, they gotta go right here on these two areas. But again, somebody was here before us and moved stuff around. There you go. Gotta slide back. Okay, so that is there. Now we gotta put the bolt that we just removed. Here. This is pretty, oh god, this is pretty brittle. I don't know. But again, quality, right? Quality. Yes. I'm gonna have to put some tape here. Or anyhow. That's pretty much it with this thing. I'll bring this here. Okay, this thing gotta come out. Now we'll put this like this on top. Here, so it's a bolt that should go there, but again, it's not there. That's why I don't like when customers start to move stuff. You know, things are missing. And I don't know, sometimes a little bit more work. This goes this. This does have a claw there. It's gonna go back like this. Pull this. Okay, cool. Got there. Now the next thing is going to be putting the bolt back here. Right there. Be nice and tight. Clip on. Now we have another bolt here. Should be another bolt right here on the bottom. It's not there. Again, I don't know what customers do with things. I believe the bolt goes there. go. That way the handle is secure. And then remove this, and this part's already broken, so yeah, I need a little bit more TLC this car. But you know what? We're gonna do the best we can with what we have. This goes here. This tweeter. Let's go under here. It's done. And I'm gonna find another bolt for this, and potentially one on the bottom. Here, this thing, they put it wrong. You have to push in, and when you're ready to install it again, you have to adjust. There you go. Just to push it back in. Right there. You clip it. That part is done. This thing here is missing some. They'll beat up those clips. I'm gonna. That's the thing. Customer doesn't want to. Doesn't matter. All right. So you saw how to replace that part. That was the whole idea of this video. I hope you like it. If you did, leave give it a thumb up, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. As usual, do your best, forget the rest, God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Later.